Ow. This is a weird slime. Do you guys want to feel it? This is sticky.
I'm gonna call you a liar.
What?
I'm gonna call you a liar.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, really? Look at this.
Does she? Why does she call me?
Oh, what was that?
It's the second container.
Watch my face.
Well, why are you in Musically?
I'm not on Musically.
She's on my camera roll.
Oh. Why?
Dun. Okay, I noticed my story.
That's just frog right here.
You just said bra.
Frog. I have to get borax. Can you give me the borax? Thanks.
Wait, so you did that one?
Yeah, my spot is so messy.
Mine is.
I'm so sticky.
Are you watching your private music, please?
No.
Just for kicks now. I'm 66 now. Yeah. Oh, I've been shaking. I love it when you go crazy. You take all my hand, I've been shaking. Oh, baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear on my reputation. Manipulate my decision. Oh, baby, there's nothing holding me back. Musically time? What? What?
Aubrey. I got you, Phil. You posted that? Yeah. I told you.
Oh,
I
I've been
got you.
shaking.
I didn't know you were gonna post it. Who liked it?
Me.
Is that it?
Yeah. Wait. What?
Did anyone comment on it?
No.
Okay, good.
Manaya commented on one of my musicals and she's just like LOL. It's like,
Oh, she commented on an iceberg sign. Ew.
Why did she comment you?
The baby. Look for this one. I did an iceberg sign.
oh, that's nice.
Oh, that one was good. Never mind. And then she said, "Ew."
Yeah, she was like,
I want to make a
How many
YouTube video right
people-
now.
look, she goes, ew.
How many people liked it?
8.
8.
8.
8 people liked what?
Her
Basically.
iceberg slime. Wait, are you not making a YouTube video?
What?
Are you not making the video?
No. What video?
I thought you were gonna do fixing my slime.
No, I decided not to. Because it's just fixing slime. You can like easily just add borax into it. And everyone knows how to fix a sticky slime. But I like doing like fixing hard butter slime. I did that one.
I'm extremely lonely.
I had this follower. I think it was like Heather Ann's song. I watch her videos a lot. Well, I watched some of her videos. I don't think she has that many. I think it only said like 7 videos, but I watched like her unicorn slime one and her slime room tour. She has a lot of slime. And she's really good at editing and doing thumbnails and stuff. This one's like a better slime, but with like Flumbies in it because it's the bad slime. We added so much stuff into the bad slime. What is that?
Oh, it's a girl on my story.
Which way is the bathroom? The bathroom. There's one over there. There's one over there. There's one down there. Oh, there is it. Oh, I don't know where the bathroom is, but I do know my nails are cute. Which way is the bathroom? The bathroom. There's one over there. There's one over there. There's one down there. Oh, there is it.
Can I see
I don't know
that
where the bathroom
musically?
is, but I do know my nails are cute. Which way is the bathroom?
Wait, you're talking to me?
Yeah.
What?
The which way is the bathroom? Can I see it?
No.
Which way is the bathroom? The bathroom. There's one over there. There's one over there.
Who's out there? Don't follow her. She's mean. And come tell me musically, since I got an iPhone, she said, "Oh,
Who are you watching?
well, you're just showing off your iPhone because I like to do musically in the mirror." It's a regular thing people do musically in the mirror. You're showing off your tablet, crazy princess. For all you crazy princesses out there, don't follow her. She's mean. And
Who's she talking
tell
about?
me musically, since I got an iPhone, she said, "Oh, well, you're just showing off your iPhone because I like to do musically in the mirror." For all you crazy princesses out there,
Yeah, that.
don't follow her. She's mean.
It's weird.
It's a regular thing.
Why? Okay, I have a question for you guys. If you're in this slime room, why are you watching Musical.ly, YouTube, and Instagram, and Snapchat, and whatever the things you do with your iPhone 6 and iPhone C or S or I don't know.
iPhone 5S.
What kind of I just have an iPhone.
Yeah.
What's the difference between an iPhone 5 and an iPhone 6?
I don't know. iPhone 6 is bigger.
And better.
Oh, Crazy Princess is Manaya.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. You didn't? No.
People do musicals in the mirror. You're showing off your tablet, crazy princess. For all you crazy princesses out there, don't follow her. She's mean. And come tell me musically, since I got an iPhone, she said, "Oh, well, you're just showing off your iPhone because I like to do musicals in the mirror." It's a regular thing people do musicals in the mirror. You're showing off your tablet, crazy princess. For all you crazy princesses out there. Don't follow.
Bye, Felicia. There was so much borax. Be like the cool kids. Like the cool kids. Does anyone need to use the borax?
I don't.
Be like the cool kids. Hello. I have to go and get a towel. Felicia.
What are you watching? Are you watching mine?
If you'll come with me, you'll float too.
Bye, Felicia. Sorry, I'm just doing that. I'm gonna take my ponytail out.
Hey, what about the guy who first landed on the moon? He said, one small step for man. I would have just said, oh my god.
I'm on the moon.
You call me ugly? I'm fine. You call me ugly again? I'm fine. You call my best friend ugly? You just messed up.
I have poofy hair. College.
Have you done the musically where it goes white rose, white horse, white
No,
horse?
white, it's white J's, white Porsche, white wrist, white horse.
White jeans, white horse, white horse, white horse. Yeah. Oh, and there's one that goes Johnny, or it's like Ronnie or something. Bye.